Welcome to this course, guys. So, in this course, we want to talk about LinkedIn, but we want to talk about LinkedIn marketing in such a way that it only helps businesses. Let's talk about LinkedIn marketing. What is LinkedIn marketing, or what is LinkedIn itself? LinkedIn is a social media platform, but not just any other social media platform. LinkedIn is used by professional. As you could see, when I prompted LinkedIn marketing, you see what it's brought. This is an AI overview of what LinkedIn marketing is. So LinkedIn marketing uses the professional platform for brand building, lead gen, and authority, combining organic content, posts, articles, video, paid ads, and networking to business decision makers. So LinkedIn marketing basically talks about you using LinkedIn as a professional platform to market your brand. So we could have a personal brand and we could have a business brand, but in this course, we want to talk about business brand and how you can use LinkedIn to help your business brand or help other business brands. So you can actually offer LinkedIn marketing as a service if you know how to optimize your brand profile well, if you know how to market a brand, if you know how to increase their followers. So these are things you could offer as a service. So this course is basically tailored for businesses and brands, and it's tailored for individuals that want to go into providing services like LinkedIn optimization for businesses and LinkedIn content creation for businesses. So it's as simple as that. It's as basic as that. This course is where you're going to learn all this. If you've not enrolled to this course just yet, do enroll now as we journey through the course. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.